Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of not today's newspaper. No, it's the Saturday edition, Saturday September the 25th 2021, because today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in this additional, and I've already solved the letter Sudoku today. There are two Sudokus left. Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic. But first I will solve this one. 2 stars Sudoku. And number 3, 4, 5. Oh, before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 16, 19, 20, 23 plus 3, 26 printed digits. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, my time limit 15 to 20 minutes. I need to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars, more than 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number is a no, not the right choice. Yes, let me go to this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. We see a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2, so no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright, then now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 4 and a 7. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And now we have a pair, 3 and a 4 in this column, 3 and the 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 and the 4 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this column. For the number 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes are missing in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4. And the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes at there. Alright. Alright, we have a pair again. 2 and a 7 in this row. In the last row, 2 and a 7 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 2 and a 7, so should be in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 and a 7. Okay. Then. Yeah. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. Yeah. 3, 3. Interesting. 6, 6. 6, 6. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 8, 4. I'm thinking 4, 4. 8, 8. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. You see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 9. Okay. 9. 1, 5. 5 in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see a 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in, no, I cannot feel this yet. The 8, okay. 7, 3, 9. We have a pair. 7 and a 9 in this row. 7 and a 9 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only two places for the 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 9. So one box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. One box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Okay, two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. Okay. Two missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. One box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing here. Alright, two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Two boxes. Alright. So we have now again a pair. 3 and a 4 in this column. 3 and a 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Alright. And then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So no row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. Can see this number 2, number 6. One box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 8. Two numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 1 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those two missing numbers in the first row? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We see here 1, the 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. This box should be 9. Now we have a 7 there. So this box is going to be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 9. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We see a 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. And I'm pleased with the time. Because for 2 stars I need 15. Tonight. Excuse me. Need to blow my nose with the sneezing. Pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 1 star. Bye bye for now.